Meaning of extraneous.
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 Extraneous. Extraneous is an adjective that describes something that is not relevant or necessary to a particular situation or topic. It refers to things or information that are unrelated, superfluous, or excessive. When something is considered extraneous, it tends to add confusion or clutter to a situation or discussion, and may even distract from the main point. In general, it is important to eliminate extraneous factors when attempting to understand or analyze a specific topic, in order to focus on the most important and relevant information.